I just got a package from my girlfriend, Nayda De Jesus, who just started her jewelry company. And Nayda used to work for me a couple of years ago. I could not be more excited to see what she sent. So I did buy a few things because, you know, you gotta support the startup, and especially when it's someone that you know. So I travel a lot and I live for gold earrings. So I got these hoops, which clearly I love the hoops, but these guys are here to replace my most recent fave that I lost on my last flight. And I got these little huggies. These are so perfect. These little teeny tiny, these are gold filled, and these guys kind of go in these little piercings, like the ones that I've had since I was in junior high, that I did. So, ooh, these ones are cool, and I love the texture on these guys. Isn't that awesome? It's not even gonna focus, but if you could see it, you'd know that they're amazing. She sent me a gift, so I'm gonna open it, see what it says. I'm so, so, so proud of her, and I just could not, oh, look at this card. You know, the coolest thing when you start a company is when you start making all of your little pieces of merchandising, and these things are so important and they're so special. I love to see my name on a card. That makes me feel so happy. And she's so amazing. Okay, so let's see what she gave me. It's a frame. It's, oh my gosh. This is my favorite proverb. I love you, Nayda. This is so amazing and so special. So my favorite, and I have a handful of girlfriends that I call my iron friends, and Nayda is one of them. As iron sharpens iron, so does the countenance of a wise man to his friends. You are a beautiful soul, and I am so proud of you, and I wish you nothing but success. And by the way, I'm gonna rock your jewelry, and I can't wait to buy more. So, so, so excited and so happy for you. Mwah.